Get ready to witness the ultimate game changer in automotive history. The Doble E-20 was a visionary steam car that could have altered the course of transportation forever, boasting instant startup, incredible acceleration. The 1925 Doble E-20 represents a fascinating chapter in automotive history, where visionary engineers pushed the boundaries of innovation, efficiency, and luxury. A marvel of engineering far ahead of its time, the 1925 Doble E-20 steam car remains one of the most extraordinary automobiles ever built. At a time when gasoline engines were taking over, this steam-powered luxury machine showcased an unmatched level of sophistication, smoothness, and efficiency. But what made the Doble E-20 so special? Let's explore its revolutionary design, advanced modifications, luxurious interior, and current value. And before we begin, subscribe now to be part of our ever-growing community of car enthusiasts who appreciate the rarest gems in automotive history. Unlike the slow, cumbersome steam cars of the early 1900s, the Doble E-20 introduced a revolutionary flash boiler system that allowed it to start instantly, unlike traditional steam cars that required long warm-up times. The Doble brothers, particularly Abner Doble, engineered a vehicle that could rival even the most powerful gasoline-powered cars of its time. The E-20's steam engine produced immense torque, allowing it to achieve incredible acceleration and a top speed of over 90 miles per hour, a remarkable feat for the 1920s. The E-20 was built with a level of refinement that was unheard of for a steam vehicle. With an automatic transmission, no need for a clutch, and a nearly silent operation, it delivered an experience unlike anything else on the road. The engine required minimal maintenance, and because of its efficient design, it offered exceptional fuel economy compared to early gasoline engines. The boiler system was fully enclosed, eliminating the dangers of traditional steam-powered cars while providing a seamless and effortless driving experience. Inside, the Doble E-20 exuded elegance. With its handcrafted wood trim, plush leather seats, and spacious cabin, it was designed for those who demanded the highest level of luxury. The dashboard featured precision-crafted gauges, and the ride quality was exceptionally smooth due to the advanced suspension system. Today, the Doble E-20 is an ultra-rare collector's dream, with only a handful of examples still in existence. When they appear at auctions, these vehicles command prices well into the millions, as they represent not just a car, but a vision of what the future of steam-powered transportation could have been. Could the Doble E-20 have changed the course of automotive history if steam power had not faded away? Would you drive a steam-powered luxury car today? Drop your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more incredible car content, where history and horsepower collide.